Now children, today let's start with chapter number 6, editing the worksheet data. So in this chapter, we will edit some worksheet data. So data is not entered correctly the first time in a cell. We need to make changes in it, and to edit data, you enter in a cell to do one of the following. Double click the cell. Doing so, place the cursor around the cell where you start deleting or entering the number and text, right? Now click the cell and press F2. This technique also places the cursor in the cell. Click the cell you want to edit. With this technique, you edit the data on the formula bar. Before editing data of the cell, they need to be selected. First is row or column. Click on the heading of the row. Then we have complete worksheet. You will press Ctrl+A or select all. Adjacent row and column, select the first row or column and hold down the shift key. Now no adjacent rows or column, choose the first row and column and then select the other while simultaneously holding down the control, right? Then afterwards, we have entering. Now you want to enter text, date and time, right? For you have to place apostrophe before the number and it will set. Type the number and click the enter button. In the home tab, you will click on the format button in the cell group in format cell. Select the number tab and select the time or date, right? Then you will select the format, click OK, but put space between time and date in a sec. Now you want to change the cell content. So if you want to make changes to the cell, simply press enter key after making changes, right? Cancel if enter button appear in the formula or bar and new data is written in a cell. We can change the data in a cell in two ways, replacing content of cell and edit mode, right? Now replacing cell content. To replace the cell content, follow the given step. Open a new worksheet, write the entry as shown, choose the cell whose E9 data you wish to modify, right? Type a new value, observe that the odd value is replaced by the new value. आपको observe करना है कि जो आपकी odd value वो किससे replace हो जाएगी, new value. Edit mode, choose the cell E9 and you will double click inside it and you will see that the value is displayed in the formula file, right? The point of insertion, आपको देखेगा blinking lines है. Also observe that left sides of the status bar show edit mode. क्या mode दिखाती है? Edit mode. Press enter and you will see that changes are made. Edit mode will be changed to edit, right? Using undo and redo option. Now, after making changes to a cell, we may want to undo or changes the previous one. We use the undo option to quick access toolbar. If we wish to repeat the last action that we did using undo command, we can use redo command. आप redo command का भी use कर सकते हैं. Now inserting rows and column. आप चाहते हैं कि और rows और column को insert करें, so if you want to insert one column, choose the column or cell to the left of which you wish to insert. Say new select column, E, now home tab. You will click the arrow near the insert option, right? You will observe that empty column has been inserted to the left of column E and all values of column E has shifted to column 7. Now copying and moving. Now when you want to duplicate some of the data in the same worksheet or another worksheet, is called copy of data there, right? You can move data, copy, paste, cut. Commands are used so that you can copy or move the rest. Now अगर आप copy और paste करना चाहते हैं data को, then we have the step. One is you will choose the cell. भाई जिस भी cell को आपको copy करना है आप उसको choose करेंगे. Let's say we have D6, E8. Go to clipboard group. Then you will click on copy. So choose, we want to take a data to a cell J9. Go to J9 and click on the paste from the clipboard group. You will see that text has been copied to a new location, right? The same data can be pasted. Next is moving data. So you can use drag and drop method also. And another method is that you can choose the desired group of cell and you can take your mouse arrow to the edge of the chosen cell. You will your arrow will change to a mouse pointer symbol and next drag the group of the cell. Now you want autofill option. So for that, like we have January, F1. Now you want the mouse arrow to go to F1 cell and then you will change it to the arrow plus sign. So you will observe that you will hold the left button of the mouse and drag till cell F8. Now you will see that the January to August will appear in the cell F1 to F8, right? Like this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So F1 to F8 will be done. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's move to the exercise now. Now take the correct option. Control plus A key combination can be used to select a complete row. After we complete editing, Excel goes back to the dash mode. किसका mode पे चला जाता है? Ready mode पे. When we want to select a range of cell, we hold the dash key and click on adjacent cell. हम कौन सी की का यूज करते हैं? Shift की का. Right? Next is to undo the last option done. We can use the option of the quick access toolbar. Undo options. Now fill in the blanks. How date and time appear in the worksheet depends upon the. Now how date and time appear in the worksheet depends upon the. किस पे डिपेंड करता है? फॉर्मेट अप्लाई टू अ सेल. इफ यू चेंज सेल वैल्यू बाय मिस्टेक, अगर आप सेल की वैल्यू को बाय मिस्टेक चेंज कर देते हैं, सो यू कैन यूज अंडू. आप अंडू का यूज कर सकते हैं उसको करेक्ट करने के लिए. राइट? द बटन्स दैट appear on the formula bar when new data is written, it is in a cell. They are called editing tool. उनको क्या कहा जाता है? If you wish to specify date and time together in a cell, we separate them with the help of a color. A dash feature of MS Excel is used to fill the cell the data automatically. Autofill feature. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Making changes in the worksheet is called editing. It's true. Moving data from one worksheet to another is called copying. Now it is possible to edit the content of the cell in the formula bar. It's true. Control plus A is used to choose a specific row. It's true. We can copy data from one worksheet to another. It's true. Now answer the following. Write the action so that you want to select the cells in the worksheet. What step must be followed to modify data? Write the steps of copying and pasting data in the worksheet. How can you use dragging method to move data in a worksheet? Write steps to use autofill features. आपको steps लिखना है. How you can use autofill feature in this. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.